Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about EverWebinar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up email reminders for your EverWebinar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up email reminders for your EverWebinar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars, you know that if somebody registers, it doesn't necessarily mean they're going to show up. So if you can set up email reminders, it can increase the chances that they're going to show up for the webinar. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your EverWebinar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set up your email reminders here on the left side, make sure you've clicked on webinar. Once you've done that, go ahead and choose the webinar we're setting the reminder emails for. So for example, this one, and click on edit. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these blue bubbles here at the top, and you want to click on this one here called notifications. It has a bell on it. Once you do that, you're going to look for this line right here, reminder notifications. So you can say I have 2 emails and 0 phone notifications. So just click on the pencil icon. Okay, once you do that, you want to scroll down until you see this pre-webinar notifications and post-webinar notifications. This is where you can go ahead and add your emails. So here is our sign up confirmation. After that pre-webinar, we're going to click here, add email. All right, once you do that, you want to go ahead and choose when this email reminder is going to go out. So let's set this one for 14 hours before the webinar. And here you can go ahead and edit. So here's the subject, upcoming taco web. And here you can go ahead and just click in here. It's just like editing an email. This is a friendly reminder of the upcoming webinar you registered for. Do not miss it or else. All right, once you've set up the email reminder, click on save. Okay, now you can see we have an email set up right here. And if you want to add another one in, so this one's going to go out 14 hours before. Maybe we're going to send another one out 6 hours before, and then 1 hour before. Just keep adding them right here. And once you're done, scroll to the top. Once you're here at the top, click on save. Okay, now you can see that we've added an email reminder to our EverWebinar. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up an email reminder for your EverWebinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.